What's up everybody, this is Mike and I've just finished editing a new video for you guys with the DJI Mavic Air. If you have been following my channel for a while, you probably already know that recently we had a lot of bad weather, we had tons of snow and -degree temperatures, and basically the weather was too bad for flying a drone. But a couple of days ago we had a bit of sun and I went outside and captured some nice footage for you guys, and I wanted to share it, of course, and hear what you have to say. So I decided to switch things up a bit for this time, and I switched to filming in 24 frames per second to get a bit more cinematic look to my videos. Until now I've always recorded all of my drone footage in 30 frames per second, so I'm interested to hearing what you guys have to say about the new format of the video, whether you like it or not. Please let me know in the comment section below. And I'm also doing this quick little intro of the video to let you guys know that I'm going to do a live Q&A session on YouTube in exactly 24 hours from now. So it will be a Sunday afternoon for me, but of course I will also put more information on the screen so you can see for your own time zone, so you don't miss out if you want to join. But feel free to ask all of your questions in the comment section below, or tweet me, DM me on Instagram, or Facebook message me, or whatever you feel comfortable with. Just let me know and I'll be sure to reply as long as I know the answer to that question. That being said guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Enjoy the footage with the Mavic Air and I'll see you very soon tomorrow. Ciao!